I Call Music Volume 19. You can call the number on your screen. $18.98 plus $4.95 shipping and handling. Special edition Now CD holder free with paid order. Must be 18 or older to call.
SpongeBob, because he swims, and I like swimming.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Georgia Emergency Management Agency and the Office of the Governor. This is a civil danger warning for the following counties: Fulton County, Clayton County, DeKalb County, the City of Atlanta metropolitan area. A state of emergency has been declared due to widespread civil unrest and violent demonstrations throughout the warned area. A mandatory curfew is now in effect from 9 p.m. this evening until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. All citizens must remain indoors during curfew hours. Travel is strictly prohibited, except for emergency personnel and law enforcement. If you are outside during curfew hours, you are subject to arrest. All businesses must close immediately. All public gatherings are prohibited. Public transportation has been suspended. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. Law enforcement and National Guard units have been activated and are currently deployed throughout the warned area. Citizens are advised to shelter in place immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Stay away from windows. Do not answer doors for anyone except confirmed law enforcement. Monitor the station for further instructions. Do not call 911 for information. Emergency lines must remain clear for life-threatening emergencies.